Hi, my name is Chike Afiwu. I am a mother, a wife, and also a DNP student, and I am a breast cancer survivor. My personal vision is women empowerment through education and awareness. As a breast cancer survivor, I have a nonprofit that has education as its core value. Our goal is to educate, empower, encourage, and engage women to make their breast health priority. And our mission is education through empowerment. And that is part of my personal mission. And that's why I went back to school, because I needed a credentialing to be able to do all these things, because people will listen to you if you have a doctor by your name. I plan to keep current my credentials through education, through attending workshops. I have my CEs, continuing credit hours. I schedule conferences to stay up to date, and with my mission with breast cancer, I have breast cancer support groups, and we stay abreast on medication, research, and stuff that has to do with breast cancer. I plan to advance forward in burden expertise and credentials, and I plan to do that by attending conferences. I think that's the one way to stay ahead, to be up to date with research, to know what's going on for me in terms of breast cancer. And that's why my CSP is based on how education can increase compliance, but among African American women, since that is the population I fit into. I said identify research, policy change, funding. In terms of research, I get a lot of information from the conferences. My organization, we are abreast with Susan G. Komen Foundation, because she does a lot of breast cancer research. So a lot of information we get from her website and from her conferences. Also, I work with women who actually go to DC that are lobbyists. That's what they're called, that they help with changing policies, especially when it comes to breast cancer. We are hoping that they change the screening age from 40 to less than about 35 or less, because I was diagnosed at the age of 36. Yes. So we are hoping that as they lobby in DC, some of those policies can change to affect other women to be more inclusive, so that insurance can pay for their screening. Identify what is fun, relaxing, sustains you. Fun, relaxing is family. I'm a mother of 5 beautiful children. I am married to my childhood sweetheart, and I take care of my mother, who is 84 years old, and that is fun. I am family oriented. As much as I like to empower women, I like to empower my children. I have 4 girls and 1 boy. Resources to attain a balanced life. Oh my goodness. Resources to attain a balanced life in today's society. Oh my goodness. We have so much resources. I think the answer is to find out which resources to engage in and which ones to stay out of. I think that's the number one, because there's too much. Too stimulating, if you ask me. Essentials for personal fulfillment. My essentials for personal fulfillment would be sleep when I can get it, education, exercise, and I like to party too with my girlfriends and our spouses. What do you sacrifice without sacrificing your personal goals? That's a good question. I don't know what I can sacrifice. I think at the end of the day, what matters to me, my husband and my children. I think that's the one thing I cannot sacrifice. Everything else, pretty much, I think I can. My current resources, my powerhouse is my mother, who supports me, and my husband, who helps me do everything else. If not, I cannot. They are the wind beneath my wings. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video.